Hey everyone, this update is a little later than normal I know, but I've had a few things on. Better late than never, I guess. This will be a very quick update on how my portfolio has fared and a quick scan around what important things have happened since my last update in the market, as well as what to expect over the next couple of weeks really. I'm not going to try drag this out. I'm going to tell you straight off the bat how my portfolio has performed since I gave you the update last month. So, as you can see here in the table and the graph, my investment in Tesla, because that's all I'm invested in, you know that by now, has decreased by 1.2% since the end of February to the end of March, equating to a decrease of £1,411 in total. So going from just over £118,000 at the start of March to now just under £117,000 at the end of March. As you can see from the graph, I'm still in the green or positive from all the investments that I've put in, the money I've put in myself, which is good up to the end of March. But as you can see from this little clip, March hasn't really been kind to us growth investors so far, with Tesla being down 10.8% for the month. Two big events or dates that are coming up over the next couple of days and weeks. First up, we get the next figures for both types of CPI, which the Fed used to determine the health of the economy and where inflation currently stands at, which in turn dictates what rate hikes they might actually do. It's looking more and more likely that we could get a pause, but the odds are slightly more in favour of a 25 basis point or 0.25% hike when they reveal or announce on May the 3rd. The second and more exciting date, especially for us Tesla investors, is Wednesday the 19th of April, when Tesla have their quarterly conference call to update the market on how much money they've made from the cars that were sold in the last quarter, Q1, ending the 31st of March. On the 2nd of April, Tesla announced that they'd beat on production quarter over quarter, granted only by a little, over 1,000 cars I think it was, maybe 1,100. And on face value, some might say that is bad as they're not actually growing that much. But what the announcement doesn't mention is Chinese New Year, which affects Shanghai, Tesla's biggest production facility, not producing for over a week, which is somewhere in the region of 18 to 20,000 cars, which need to be added back into that. The positive news to take from it was that quarter over quarter, sales grew by over 4% and 36% year over year. One negative or cautious point is that inventory of cars has grown again, as it's just been added to inventory, which does play into the bear's hands that Tesla may have a demand problem. I'm not fully sold that is the case, but it is a possibility, and I do accept that. The bulls and Tesla management basically saying that they are smoothing the delivery wave, which reduces costs for delivery, but I guess time will tell on that one. Let's see how the call goes and what the Fed decides is the right course of action for the fund rate really, and that will kind of determine how my portfolio performs over the next 2, 4 and a couple of months. If you've enjoyed this little update, do like the video and please do subscribe to the channel to follow me on my journey to hopefully financial freedom. But until next time, stay safe.